Good morning, Miss Debbie.
Mhm.
Okay, Miss, we will start teacher evaluation today. The first subject is science. Please explain homework about hot question.
Okay, number one, Ali observed a stick outside from morning to afternoon. How does the length of the shadows change from morning to the noon, and why does the shadow change like that? Okay, the length of the shadow from the morning. In the morning, the length of the shadow will long, and it will be short. It will be short in the noon. And why does the shadow change like that? The shadow change because the position of the sun's uh, move higher in the sky. Meadow City checked her shadow at 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Compare the direction of shadow in the morning and the afternoon. Explain why the direction is different. The direction of the shadow in the morning will point to the west, while the direction of the shadow in the afternoon will point to the east. This direction is different because the position of the suns move from the east to the west. Number three, Budi sees a very short shadow at 12 p.m. What will happen to the shadow after 12 p.m.? So, and then B, what will it change that way? The shadow after 12 p.m. will become lower again. It happened because the suns start to move lower again, lower in the sky.
Okay, please, yang part A, Miss.
What
Number
will
two.
happen to the shadow after 12 p.m.? The shadow will become longer again.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, part number four, a student says shadow are always the same size all days. Is the statement correct? Explain your answer. Give the correct concept about shadow. The statement is not correct because the shadow always change all day. And the concept of the shadow is the shadow direction and length will be different because the sun's position change during all the day. You are playing on outside in the afternoon. Describe how your shadow look at the time, length and the direction. Predict how your shadow will look in the evening. Your shadow will be longer in the afternoon, and the direction will point to the east. Uh, Predict how your shadow will look in the evening. Your shadow will look longer or less visible as the sunshine, the sunset. Next, what lesson, Miss?
Uh, so in this topic is about the shadow, Miss,
Yeah, that's about the shadow.
and it means you already explained to the student about planets, right?
Yes, then
About
that's nice.
Jovian and terrestrial planet, Miss.
Huh?
Jovian and terrestrial planet also.
Already. I'm sorry.
Okay, please explain the difference between Jovian planets and terrestrial planets.
Okay. Jovian, terrestrial, what, Miss?
Terrestrial planets.
Terrestrial planets, the example are um, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So the surface of that planets are solid, while the Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune's. The solid the surface are solid and consist of gas. And some of the Jovian planets also have a ring outside, and some of the rings made from the gas, and some of the ring made from rocks. And also the terrestrial planets is closer than Jovian planets
To the sun.
to the sun.
Okay, Miss. Next, Miss. Math, Miss.
Matt, Horts.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, number one, Chacha, Eddie, Tizzy, and Ron share 40 marbles equally. What fraction of the marble does each person get? How many marbles does each person receive? So part A, each person will get one quarter of the marble.
Do we have marker there, Miss? Marker?
We don't have. Each person will get one quarter of the marbles because there are four persons. So the marble will divide it into four equal parts. So part B, how many marbles does each person receive? So because there are 40 marbles, so a quarter of 40 is 10 marbles. So each person will receive 10 marbles. Number 2, there are 24 circle eaten color, two-third of them. How do you find two-third of 24? How many circle does does eaten color? So this one you need to find one-third of 24. After that, you multiply by 2. And how many circle does eaten color? So here you need to find one-third of 24 is 8. The answer is 8. So 8 times 2 is 16. So Ethan's color 16 circles. Number 3, what fraction of the sweets is left? If she eat a quarter of sweet, she has 18 sweet left. So here, a sweet 1 minus 1 quarter equals 3 quarter left. And how many sweet did Mila have at the first? So here, we need to find 18 divided by 3 and times 4. It's times 4, so 24 sweet at the first. Number 4, Lina has one-third of a cake in the morning. In the afternoon, she ate a quarter of the cake. How much cake did Lina eat in total? One-third plus one quarter equals 12, 4, 3, 7, 7 over 7, 12. So the total for part A is 712. How much cake is left? The cake is left is, all the total cakes are 12 over 12 minus 7 over 12. So the left is 5 over 12. And then 5, a water tank is filled 2/5 of water in the morning. Later, 1/3 of the tank is at. How much is water in the tank now? So 2/5 plus 1/3 is 15. This one 3 times 2 6. This is 5 11 11 15. The water tank now. And part B, is the tank full? No, the tank is not full because when the tank is full, it will be 15 15 over 15, this one, and minus 11 15. So it still have the remainder 4 over 15. So the tank is not full.
Okay, Miss, will you explain about the nominator, like how to get 15 to the students, and then for number 4 also how
So
to get
they need
12?
to memorize that. For example, one whole cake. One whole cake, it means 1 over 1 like this. So same like if the fraction is 2 over 4, it means all the total cake is 4 over 4 like this. We can see from the denominator. And then also if the fraction like this 1/5. So what denominator of this one? So 5th. To minus the fraction, so you need to find the total to one whole of the fraction. So one whole of the fraction is 5 over 5 like this.
Okay, Miss. I would like to answer, Miss. This question is from book.
What
Not a question. Calculating with fraction.
what page?
Faisal bought a cake. He shared a cake with his family. Each person got 25% of the cake. How many people shared the cake?
About percentage.
Yes,
But we have learned last week. It's okay.
it's okay, Miss.
Yang mana? How? Repeat, Miss.
Faisal bought a cake. He shared the cake with his family. Each person got 25% of the cake.
So,
How many people shared the cake?
okay. So 25 means 125 over 100, 20, 100. So the denominator is 100. So one whole cake is 100 over 100. So if like this, the student need to find what number that when we divided this one into become 100. So 25 times 4. So every family member, the total of the family member is 4. The answer, Miss. So make this one become 100 over 100.
So the answer?
Is 4. The total family, right? The total cake or the total member?
How many people shared?
Yeah. How many people will start is 4.
Okay, Miss. For Matematika, Miss.
Hots.
Yes, Miss.
Sebuah diagram batang menunjukkan jumlah buku yang dibaca siswa. Siapakah buku yang membaca buku paling banyak? Jelaskan berdasarkan diagram. Jadi buku yang siswa yang paling banyak membaca buku yaitu si Budi, karena pada diagram menunjukkan diagram batang Budi yang paling tinggi. Apa fungsi diagram batang dalam menyajikan data tersebut? Dalam menyajikan data tersebut, diagram batang berfungsi untuk menunjukkan perbedaan antara perbandingan jumlah buku yang dibaca oleh siswa. Nomor 2, diagram batang menunjukkan jumlah buah yang terjual. Buah apa yang jumlahnya sama? Jelaskan. Jumlah buah yang sama adalah apel dan mangga. Karena pada diagram batang mereka menunjukkan tinggi batang yang sama. Mengapa diagram batang membantu melihat kesamaan data? Karena jika panjang batang atau tinggi diagram batang sama, maka jumlah total angkanya juga sama. 3. Dalam diagram batang, tinggi batang menunjukkan jumlah siswa menyukai olahraga tertentu. Jika batang sepak bola lebih tinggi dari basket, apa artinya? Maka lebih banyak siswa yang lebih minat dalam olahraga sepak bola. B. Bagaimana diagram membantu mengambil keputusan? Jadi diagram menunjukkan olahraga mana yang paling banyak diminati oleh siswa. Kemudian guru ingin mengetahui hasil ulangan siswa menggunakan diagram batang. Apa keuntungan menggunakan diagram batang dibandingkan tabel biasa? Jadi keuntungannya yaitu bisa melihat perbandingan dan perbedaan hasil ulangan siswa lebih jelas. Jika dua batang memiliki tinggi yang hampir sama, apa yang dapat disimpulkan? Maka dapat disimpulkan bahwa nilai siswa tersebut hampir sama atau selisihnya sedikit. Sebuah diagram batang menunjukkan jumlah siswa yang membawa bekal. Hari apakah yang memiliki jumlah siswa terbanyak? Jadi pada hari Selasa dan hari Kamis memiliki jumlah yang terbanyak karena diagram batang menunjukkan jumlah siswa yang sama pada hari itu. Mengapa diagram batang memudahkan kita membandingkan data tersebut? Karena diagram batang dapat membantu kita menunjukkan perbedaan dan perbandingan data, manakah data yang lebih besar dan lebih kecil.
Baik, Miss. Bagaimana cara membaca diagram batang?
Cara membaca diagram batang itu
Bisa ditunjukkan untuk yang part A pilihan berganda, Miss. Cara membaca diagram batang.
Nah, di sini ada ukuran sepatu. Cara membacanya, mereka di sini juga disediakan apa kita bilang seperti judul ya, judul ukuran sepatunya. Di sini adalah garis vertikal. Jadi di sumbu vertikal ini terdapat ukuran sepatu. Ukuran sepatunya dari 34, 35 sampai 43. Nah, di garis horizontalnya terdapat banyak siswa. Jadi di sini dapat kita baca, dapat kita observasi bahwa ukuran sepatu yang paling banyak adalah di 40 yang berjumlah 6 siswa memiliki ukuran sepatu paling paling besar 40 paling banyak ya 40 dengan ukuran 40. Sementara ukuran sepatu yang paling sedikit adalah di angka di ukuran sepatu 42 dan 43, yaitu cuman satu orang, masing-masing 42 satu orang, 43 satu orang. Sedangkan kemudian setelah itu ada 5 orang siswa yang memiliki ukuran sepatu paling banyak yang kedua yaitu 38. Kemudian total seluruh siswa yang pada data diagram batang ini yaitu 3, 6, 10, 10, 11, 10 ya, 3, 6, 10, 11, 10, 21, 21, 28 siswa.
Cara mengetahuinya, Miss?
Cara mengetahui total siswanya?
Iya, Miss.
Cara mengetahui total siswanya kita dapat menghitung dari sini. Di sini kita jumlahkan seluruhnya, total siswanya.
Jadi misalkan yang tadi dapat nomor 42 kan ada
Satu orang.
43 satu orang, berarti angka 1 ditambahkan lagi.
Iya.
1 tambah 1.
Oh ya, jadi total ya 1 tambah 1, 2 ya. Ya, salah Miss, sorry Miss. Ya, 2 ya. Ya, lupa. Kita bacanya bisa dari sini ya. Sorry ya, lupa. Gini. 34 ada 2 orang ya, kita tambahin sih. Kemudian 34 ada 2 orang, 41 ada 2 orang, ya kan? Jadi kita urutkan dari ukuran sepatu yang paling kecil, misalnya 34 ada berapa? 34 ada 2 orang. Kemudian 35 ada 3 orang, terus 36 ada 3, 37 ada 4, 38 ada 5, 40 ada 6, 41 ada 2, 42, 43, 11. Berarti kita totalkan semua. Setelah kita urutkan, maka kita dapat totalnya, Miss. 5, 5, 5, 7, 12, 12, 17, 17, 17, 23, 23, tambah 4, 27 ya. Kok jadi kurang? 5, 5, 8, 8, 4, 12, 12, 17, 17, tambah ini 23, 23 tambah 1, 2, 23, 25, 27. Miss, bener gak sih 27?
20, seharusnya 27, Miss. Tadi Miss bilang di awal 28 ya, Miss?
Iya, salah. Yang seharusnya 27 kan?
Baik, Miss.
Kalau kita hitung dari sininya.
Ya, Miss. Jadi dia memang harus dijumlahkan juga, misalkan bukan hanya banyak siswanya yang 1, 2, 3-nya itu, tetapi juga kita lihat misalkan yang mendapat nomor sepatu yang angka 1 itu ada dua siswa, 2 nomor seperti 42, 43, dan juga untuk yang banyak siswanya itu yang nomor 3 itu ada 35, 36, dan 39. Begitu juga, Miss. Oke, Miss. Minggu depan kita ada science project kan, Miss?
Enggak ada.
Science projectnya berarti untuk
2 minggu lagi.
yang lagi untuk clay. Yang pakai clay kan, Miss? Okay, Miss. And now please explain about book, Miss. Last time you have explained about math, and now please explain about science, Miss.
Okay, before this page, we have learned about the spinning of the earth. So now they need to know how the shadow change during the day. So in the conclusion of this topic is about the position of the sun. When the position of the sun is low, so the shadow will be longer. The example of the position of the sun it will happen in the morning and in the afternoon around 1 until 6 p.m. And after that, if the if the sun is height, the position of the sun is height, it means the shadow of the sun will be shorter. It will be happen around 11:30 until 12 o'clock p.m.
So the focus on this subject is about the shadow, yeah, Miss.
Yeah, the shadow, like this one, the shadow is short because it happened in the noon. The position of the sun is height, so the shadow will be short and almost almost same at the object. And here the shadow is long. It will happen in the morning and in the afternoon, start from 1 p.m. until 6 p.m.
Okay, Miss. I think. Do the student will have an activity about this subject, Miss?
No, they will not.
Okay, Miss.
So
I think that's all. Now we turn to vocabulary list, Miss. Start from math, Miss. Left.
left is something that remain after taking away.
Method.
Huh?
Method.
Method is the way or step to do something. To do something.
Matematika. Barcode.
Barcode sebuah kode atau garis angka yang digunakan untuk menyimpan suatu barang atau produk.
Yang digunakan untuk
Menyimpan suatu barang atau produk.
surat kabar, Miss.
Surat kabar adalah media cetak yang berisi tentang informasi setiap hari.
Science. Opposite.
Opposite is the different part, the completely different with the other part.
Spin.
Spin is turn around, when something turn around quickly.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.